สวัสดีค่ะ Chef Nikki here. I'm here at Chef Jeana Johnson's workplace. It is beautiful. She's a very close friend and an awesome chef. So let's go tie things up.
Hey, how are you?
How are you?
So
You're
good.
So like professional. Come on, break it up. Well, normally when I come to do a Thai takeover
Yes.
at a chef's place, I let you run the show.
Okay.
Sounds good to you?
I have one request. I need you to show me how to make this dish so that I don't have to like come and bombard you constantly with like praise, compliments.
No, but I love those
The kind-
calls.
You know you've made it when you get a stalker.
Yeah.
So like you're good. You've made it.
Okay. Okay, so are you talking about the Yum Woon Sen or the Asian Noodle Salad?
You know, of course that's what I'm talking about.
Are you sure?
Right.
Okay, let me check my text messages.
Exactly.
Did you kind of like get me stuff?
I did. I just,
Okay.
like I've crossed my fingers and got a few things.
Okay,
Like,
cool.
I know enough to be dangerous.
Yeah, hello.
Right? So I got enough of the stuff that I could kind of pick out and identify, and I think we can probably at least get close.
Let's do it.
Now let's head over.
Oh, this is so satisfying.
Okay,
Asian noodle salad.
Asian noodle salad.
I see.
Shirataki.
Yes.
Right? We've got
Love.
garlic, Thai chilies. We've got.
Bring that all out.
Okay, cilantro, right?
Yes, please.
And
Yes,
scallions.
please.
And mung bean sprouts.
Nah.
No?
Nah.
Skip those.
Skip those. That cool mint that's in this cup.
Okay.
That's
Cute, cute. So it would be very convenient for you. I went
Genius.
ahead and grabbed this so we'd like do a weeknight dinner
Genius.
style.
I found this.
Okay. Yeah.
Here we go.
Have
we
those
had one.
around.
We had one really fun eggplant episode. I want to see what Jeana can do with this eggplant.
Okay. We need that for sure.
Oh,
Okay.
yes. Try shrimp. Okay.
Oh, and did you see?
Oh, you love it.
At all times.
Okay, this is what happens when you send chefs to a pantry.
I just
Yeah.
needed a few
You just
options.
needed rice,
Yeah.
you said.
Okay.
Okay, let's get cooking.
Okay.
Are we ready?
I think now that we've gotten all of our disagreement,
Yes. We had a food fight earlier, or a noodle fight.
well, we had a very political agreement to disagree about what's the best. So,
Oh, but
right?
we came up with a good solution.
I think we did so great. I think
Okay.
this is a perfect compromise.
I love it. So
Okay.
we're making Yum Woon Sen. You say Yum Woon Sen.
Yum Woon Sen.
Perfect.
Okay.
Okay, yum means to do this actually.
Squish.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Woon Sen. Yes,
Yeah, squish.
Yum.
Yeah,
Yum.
yeah.
Y-U-M. Yum.
Yum.
Like yummy.
I got that.
Woon Sen is clear noodles. So
Okay.
I think we did pretty good.
Smushed clear noodles.
Smush the clear noodles.
It's
Why
my
not?
favorite dish.
In the whole wide
Yeah, I
world. We
can't
know
wait.
that. So I love the kelp noodles.
Okay.
You love the shirataki.
I do.
How do you normally prep that?
Dump them out of the bag and give them a really, really thorough rinse. That brine in there needs to go, and then
It's a
we need to
brine.
get rid of all of the remnant of the brine.
Oh.
Yeah.
What's it smell
No,
like?
I don't.
Okay,
Here,
rinsing.
smell this. It's
Smell
terrible.
it. And then kelp noodles.
Uh-huh.
I love kelp noodles. So I've been playing around with this.
Oh, they're so gorgeous.
And it's already ready, like edible. We don't need to cook that. Do you normally boil your shirataki?
For this application, I think we just
You
do a
think it'll
good,
get the stinky out all enough?
a good hair wash and be done with it.
Okay, you're ready to chop
Okay.
chili peppers.
Yeah.
What's your fave?
Oh.
Do you have a fave and why?
For me, it's the same thing as the green bell pepper, red bell pepper thing.
Same.
So I love now green bell peppers, but it took me years and years
I get
to
gassy.
like them. Oh, well, I'm sorry about that experience for you.
Yeah, right.
It's terrible.
That's why I don't have green bell peppers in
Okay.
the restaurant ever.
So people aren't allowed to have it because you get gassy.
Correct.
that makes-
but it's also beautiful in a dish, you
Makes
know?
perfect sense.
Yeah.
So this does not accent the dish. This takes over, right? A green bell pepper would.
Yeah.
This gives that floral, light, beautiful spice that hits you mid-palate, stings the crap out of your mouth, and then goes away.
No way. Yeah. Cool. You chop that.
Okay.
Love. You got the lime started.
So a lot of people put their citrus in like this because it looks like it fits, right? But if you flip it over,
Yeah.
right, with the little
Love.
butt end at the top.
Love. It's like one of the first skills that I had learned when I decided to teach myself how to bartend.
Okay. You taught yourself this part too?
Yeah.
Like do it wrong and then
do it wrong and figure out, like, why does this tool
like, surely
not
this
really
doesn't
help my
exist.
work?
Right.
No, yes. Okay, you got some limes?
I got the lime juice. You rinse the noodles and blanch those
I did
shiitake.
blanch because I just, you
No,
know,
it'll
smell.
Well,
Sheena has no smell.
they'll suck in
share.
that
I share.
nut sauce. It's gonna be great. Okay.
Love it.
So
okay,
next I got this.
you do.
Right? Okay.
I'll take care of the noodles.
I'm gonna glove up.
Why are you
'cause,
gloving up?
Well, look, we're dealing with fish sauce. We're
Okay.
dealing with Thai chilies.
Smart move.
Stinky and spicy, and I got, you know.
Can't wait for you to start rubbing it around your face.
That's it. That's it. So,
Okay.
like a little bias cut here.
Yeah.
Some torn leaves.
Love.
A little chiffonade.
Yes, please.
And then like just a super rough.
Rush up, love.
And then this probably in julienne.
No, too fancy. I like them chunky.
Too fancy.
Too fancy.
Okay, so torn.
Yeah, you can chop them like about that size.
Cool. Before we do that,
Yes, chef.
I'm gonna get this put together.
Perfect.
Say it one more time for me.
Yes, chef.
No, not that part. The name of the sauce.
Yum. Nam yum. Lime juice.
We call it
Nam manao.
Nick Mom.
You call it nuk mum.
What
I
do you
call
call
it
it?
nam yum.
Nam yum.
Nam
Okay.
yum.
So the client that I cook for,
Yes.
they're home. We have a ton of dietary restrictions. One of those is regular sugar. So I'm gonna use a coconut sugar, and I'm just gonna put a little water in here, just to like loosen it up a little bit, because it's actually pretty sturdy.
It is.
So I'm not really measuring, but I'm kind of doing.
Chef.
That's enough.
I think so.
Okay.
Let's see. That's not the ones I normally use, so we'll see.
So good.
I'm good.
Okay.
Okay, I am going to put the kelp noodles. Can I put that sauce over the noodles?
What do you think? 3, 4,
Yeah.
3,
5.
5. We're going.
You
I
use
do.
all the seeds?
I do.
Do you ever de-seed Thai chilies?
No.
Thank God.
No.
Love that.
Better to have more than not enough.
I am gonna go ahead and put these in here as well. Definitely no extra juice because we do not want to dilute that sauce. Look at your pretty chilies.
Yeah.
It's just my happy place.
This right here.
Watching, it's like
watching this
ASMR.
slice. Yeah. In there.
Why not? Get that spice going.
Okay.
Tail off, chef?
I think so. Yeah.
Okay.
Anything like.
Could I cut them in half for
I would-
bite size?
I think so.
Yay! Give me something to do.
So I think anything you eat with chopsticks, it serves the guests better to
Love.
just pull the tail off.
Yeah.
That way
makes
they
life
don't.
easier.
They don't have to work to eat. You know.
Yep.
They're already doing that. So.
Yeah, they're working. They're
Right.
digesting.
Right.
Food.
Yes.
Wine, food. How'd you get into this?
I mean, I grew up in a super food-centric home. There was always something like every celebration had a specific food. I'm from East Texas, so we're very like hospitable and hosty.
Yep.
And,
Where? East Texas?
Palestine.
Ooh, I know that.
Yeah.
I'm from Leonard, Texas.
Oh yeah. That's nowhere close to where I'm from.
yeah,
but
I didn't
it's
think
fine.
so. It's on the other side of
Yeah.
Texas.
You want more shallots than that? That feels
I
like a lot of salad.
do. I love shallots.
Okay. Okay, you want this in there, right?
Yes, please.
You know, I went to school for business, computer science, accounting, all of that kind of thing. You know,
Yeah.
I was going to be a businessy person.
Yeah.
And then I got a job to just like help out with, you know, car insurance and stuff. And it was in a restaurant. And I very quickly became like a corporate trainer for them. They put me in kitchen training. And I was like, it's like amazing back here. And like at that point in time, you know, $150 shift was like a mind blow.
Yeah.
Like I have worked like a rough shift at this restaurant to get to $150, right?
How much cilantro do you like, chef?
Oh, like a salad made out of it.
Okay.
I went every bit of the cilantro, and I like the stems too. You know, I don't.
Yes.
Yeah, I don't pull any of that. So moved up here, started going after hours, you know, or after work to this bar, and there was this team that would show up in their like black shirt, black pants, fold up their white apron, and like put it under their arm and cruise in like they were kind of like a gang.
Yeah, the
right?
crew.
They roll in, and they're like, "Yeah, we work at this restaurant right behind here." Blah blah blah. Turns out it's a Lombardi concept, and I went to work there like 2 weeks later. I had never seen bottled water before. They were like, "Okay, so first you're gonna approach the table. You're gonna ask, do you want still or sparkling?" And I was like, "Still or sparkling what?" No idea. I got real culinary education.
Aw, that's
You know,
cool.
I worked for David Holben and, you know, Jeff Machete and all of these chefs who like took real interest in us
Yeah.
knowing about food.
Too cool.
And it just made me fall even more head over heels for culinary and, you know, it just was a different
See
dynamic.
all the passion. It actually comes out in your food, which is, you know, we can taste it.
Okay, I'm gonna let you
Man.
do, Let me put those in since I know you want them.
I do. I'm ready to
Okay,
eat this.
we have everything on here.
We
We've
do.
got
We
the
took
mint-
everything off.
These guys.
Yes,
We
how do you like?
decided we're just gonna take them down just like a
Just bite size.
just
So like
to
we're
that.
going back to the whole,
Right.
you know, no extra work for the people who are eating this.
Right.
How are you on this?
Let's go last because I kind of have like a thing that I want to do.
With them. Okay.
I mean,
so these
I
are
s-
dried shrimps. Dried shrimps.
I said I wasn't going to take
Boom
over. but
hang.
I am going to take over.
She is going to take over.
Yeah.
You got the gloves on. You go.
Yeah. Yum, yum,
Yum.
yum, yum,
Yum.
yum.
But yeah.
Okay.
Yum, but yeah.
Okay. I like this. I like the flavor of it. Whoa,
Hey,
hey,
sure.
whoa.
That's alive.
Yeah, I like the flavor of this,
I
but
do.
for me, it's like a big bite.
It is.
Right? So if I just do like a little of this, then I'm getting like
She's so chefy.
all of that
You
accent.
got the flavors
And then, you know, I
without
have,
the bold bite.
just because of my deep love and sort of some experience with
Yeah.
Vietnamese cooking.
Okay.
So like if we can just do that,
Okay.
right? And then,
I'm all about people putting their own spin on any of the dish.
right? But these two things
Yeah.
for me, three things put together.
Fair enough.
Does that
So
feel-
she just put in some fried garlic, fried shallots,
Yeah.
chopped up some of the dried shrimp.
Right. Okay, so now we
Fair
gotta
enough.
go back to the bottom because that's where all the good
Are the
stuff.
noodles too long? You want me to? You good?
Okay. Maybe
No,
that
it's
one.
not too long.
So then we've got that all presented
pretty,
nicely,
Chef.
right?
Sprinkle away.
And like one of those. God, that looks freaking amazing.
Are you hungry now?
I'm
I've like been
I'm
wanting
dying
to
for
eat
this. Oh gosh.
You're going in. Now I need all that crunch. How is it?
I mean,
Yep.
I'm hired, right?
Duh.
Yeah. Wow.
That crunch is awesome. I love it. We're gonna move on to the next
That's so
dish.
good.
Guys, stick around, watch the next episode because we had so much fun. You had so much fun. Comment below. Let me know what you think about Chef, all the tidbits that she gave. It's amazing.
Nice, be nice.
They're always nice. I love my foodies. Okay, until next time, don't forget to follow, like, subscribe.